the nicest 121 I've got, especially with the cab. 4-way hydraulic blade, new tracks, auxiliary hydraulics with the hydraulic, brand new hydraulic pin on thumb, quick attach 18-inch bucket with 4 teeth. Thing's all original paint. It's got a radio in it, closed cab air conditioning, 2-speed, just picked it on. 3 emissions. That means there's none of that old gook on it or anybody can work on it. Very, very nice. I'll get a picture of the hours when it comes back up here. It's very low hours. Can't imagine how nice this thing is. Never been any rocks or woods or anything. None of the counterweights scarred up or broken or anything. That blade don't have a mark on it.